Just pick up a catfish, so we're gonna cook that.
Catfish for my boy VCC TV. Let's go.
Alright, look out for the video.
Alright,
man. Well, go on, my beautiful people. First and foremost, we have to big up VCC TV Panda one. Yeah, man, decent, nice, fat catfish, you know. Yeah, man, so that one, yeah, I just go clean him up, cut him up, put on my favorite season on him, and cook him down in some coconut juice. Yeah, man, just like that, easy and simple. So first thing me do is kind of fry him up and get him crispy and get that brown crisp on it. Yeah, man. And that is it. Some nice Jamaican water crackers. Yeah, tune into Kenny Good Vibes TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel to get tips and tricks to cook like a boss.